welcome back on the VS channel. I installed the latest August update on the 8th of August and today is the 11th of August, so I'm already using it for a few days. And I'm going to show you guys the animation status. Now, my phone has not been restarted in the last 2 days. I'm running with 20% of the battery, so this is a real usage example. Alright, so I'm going to start with this animation. As you might know, Samsung had an issue with this animation, specifically when you perform it like that. Alright, so what we can see right now is absolutely flawless. So I think we have a good check here. It's also very important to note that the August update is only a security update. So there are no camera improvements, and this is the latest version of the One UI Home 15.1015. Okay, now let's try to check the blur. Alright. Very impressive, by the way, and no lag whatsoever. And why I'm doing these videos, guys, because sometimes Samsung are changing things, they're not listed inside the change logs, and even if you pay attention, if you go and check the latest version, if you click here to learn more, sometimes they even don't keep this up to date. Alright, so right now I can just see security, device protect will improve security. So most probably this is only security bug fixing. There were a lot of critical fixes, but sometimes they might either break something or, let's say, improve something. And this is why I wanted to do this animation video. So for the opening, for the closing, absolutely flawless. Now let's try to show the recent menu. Alright, I have a lot of applications, nothing really has been closed. I'm going to close now everything, and I'm going to start by opening Telegram, smooth, Messenger. Alright, takes a while to load, it could be my connection. Alright, let's open Facebook, absolutely smooth. Let's try then to open X, absolutely smooth. Then let's try to also open the Viber. Alright, absolutely smooth. Right, and now guys, let's just see here the edge panels. Sometimes this animation was also choppy. Alright, I have some predefined settings that will open the Telegram and X in a split window. Alright, let's just try to change position. Let's maximize it. Let's try to zoom out, so to speak, this application. Okay, now let's try to open Telegram. Okay, zoom it out again. Alright, so right now I have here X and Telegram. I can just do like this and they'll go away. Alright, recent menu one more time, close it all. Seems to be quite functional. If we go inside the developers option, guys, we can also check the average memory usage. So I'm gonna click here one day, 7 gigabytes. Alright, my unit has 12G, and you can see 7G, performance is normal, and this is also the memory usage as per the application. So Android OS, of course, System UI, One UI Home, not a problem at all. Let's try to do the same, but in a landscape mode. So open Telegram, not a problem at all. Alright, nice animations, same story with X. When we go out, we can see there is a lot of bounciness. I kind of like this one. Right, and we can also try to do this with some of the system apps from Samsung to be able to test this. So let's open clock. All right, let's open the internet. All right, let's open calendar, no problem at all. If we do here, guys, let's just try to see. Now, Samsung still did not embrace the non-linear animations, but I think and I hope that in One UI 7 this is going to be different. One UI 6.1.1 was already better with the Flip 6 and the Fold 6, and I think that in One UI 7 we're gonna hopefully see improved animations. But so far I think everything was perfect. The quick settings, right, the notification, clearing it all, like it seems that this phone now has reached the prime stage. I'm also very happy with my unit. I've been 20 days using this every second day, inside the sea, underwater, up to 3 meters. Don't do this, right? If you do this, then rinse it with tap water, no problem at all, everything's operational. So I'm really happy with the state of this, and this is the August update animations, guys. I really hope that you like videos like this, more hands-on real videos, and don't forget to check the others. VST over and bye.